Hi everyone! Continue tayo sa ating lesson. Ngayon is nasa grade 4 Math, Quarter 4, Module 6, Lesson 1 na tayo. So, ang Lesson 1 natin sa Module 6 is recording favorable outcomes in a simple experiment. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng experiment? Ang experiment is a task or activity that is done where results are observed. And then, ang outcomes are the results of an experiment. So, kung ano yung resulta ng experiment mo, yun ang tinatawag nating outcomes. Ang mga example ng experiment is yung ginagawa natin na tossing a coin, rolling a dice, spinning a wheel, draw lots, and many more. So, yun ang tinatawag natin mga simple experiments. Pag-aralan natin ng example na to para ma-practice natin kung ano ang gagawin natin sa pag-record ng favorable outcomes in a simple experiment. Election for Purok Leader was conducted in Barangay Abandon last August 30, 2020. After counting the votes, it turned out that two candidates, both Ray and John, got a tie for the highest votes. So, ibig sabihin, ang Barangay Abandon is nag-elect sila ng Purok Leader. Pero, itong dalawang candidates nila is nag-tie, si Ray at si John. So, ang gagawin nila is therefore, to break the tie, they agreed to have a toss coin for 6 times. So, mag-toss sila ng coins ng 6 times. For the result, Ray chose the head while John chose the tail. Para i-break nila ang tie, nagdesisyon sila na mag-toss sila ng coins 6 times. Kung sino yung pinakamaraming makuha, yun ang mananalo. At si Ray, ang pinili niya is ang head. Si John naman, ang pinili niya ang tail. So, kung ito yung coin natin, ito yung pinili ni Ray, ang head. And then, si John is ang tail. So, ito naman ang pinili ni John. So, ang ginawa nila is nag-toss sila ng coins, pagkatapos ni-record nila yung mga favorable outcomes sa kanilang simple na experiment. So, ito dito is ang number of trials. So, dahil 6 times, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then si Ray is head, si John is tail. Sa first toss nila sa coin, ang lumabas is head. So, kay Ray nakalagay. And then, sa second toss ng coin, ang lumabas is tail. So, dito kay John. And then, sa third is tail naman yung lumabas. So, si John. And then, sa fourth toss ng coin is head. So, si Ray. And then, sa fifth is head. Si Ray pa rin. And then, sa sixth is head. So, si Ray pa rin. So, therefore, si Ray nakakuha siya ng 1, 2, 3, 4 na favorable outcomes. As si John naman, nakakuha siya ng 1, 2. So, ngayon, sagutan natin ang mga questions na ito para maintindihan natin. Question number 1, what was conducted in Barangay Abandon? Ano ang ginawa nila sa Barangay Abandon? Nag-conduct sila ng election for Purok Leader. And then, question number 2, who were the candidates got a tie score? So, sino yung candidates na nag-tie ang score? Si John at si Ray. And then, question number 3, how many times the head appears on top? So, ilang beses nag-appear yung head? 4 times. And then, fourth question, how many times the tail appears on top? Ilang times yun siya? 2 times. So, sa question number 5, who do you think was declared as the new Purok Leader? Why? So, sino kaya ang nanalo sa kanilang dalawa? In the event of tossing coins 6 times, the head appeared 4 times. So, si head is nag-appear siya ng 4 times compared to tail that appears 2 times only. Thus, Ray won the election. So, therefore, si Ray yung nanalo sa election kasi 4 times nag-appear yung head compare sa tail na 2 times. Ngayon, sagutan naman natin ang mga tanong na ito. So, identify whether it is an experiment or outcome? So, ang isagot nyo lang is experiment or outcome. Question number 1. Rolling a die in playing snake and ladder game. Ano ang tawag sa kanya? Experiment or outcome? Experiment. Kasi nag-roll ka pa ng die. So, wala pa siyang resulta. So, that's why experiment pa siya. And then question number 2, getting the highest prize in the raffle draw. Nakakuha ka ng pinakamataas na prize sa raffle draw. Ano ang tawag doon? Experiment, outcome. Outcome, kasi resulta na siya. So, ikaw ang nanalo sa raffle draw. Number 3, spinning a wheel to get a prize. Nag-spin ka ng wheel para makakuha ng prize. Ano ang tawag doon? Experiment or outcome? Experiment, kasi wala pang resulta. Mag-spin ka pa ng wheel. Number 4, picking numbers in a lottery draw. Ano ang tawag dito? Experiment or outcome? Experiment, kasi wala pang resulta. Number 5, mixing primary colors. Experiment or outcome? Experiment, kasi wala pa tayong result. Nag-mix ka pa lang ng kulay. And then number 6, winning the jackpot prize in a lottery draw. Nanalo ka ng jackpot prize sa lottery draw. Ano ang tawag? Experiment, outcome? Outcome, kasi resulta na siya. So, ikaw ang nanalo sa jackpot ng lottery draw. That's all for today's video, guys. Sana naintindihan nyo kung paano mag-record ng favorable outcomes in a simple experiment. So, ganun lang siya kadali. I-record nyo lang siya pagkatapos pag-aralan nyo ang data at malalaman nyo na kung ano yung mga outcomes. See you on our next lesson. Bye!